Hi, I'm Brent. I'm here to talk about the biggest tech stewardship opportunity I see at my organization. And where I work is a professional services organization. So we do projects for clients in the realm of applied earth sciences practice. I'm lucky to work with a lot of very bright, passionate people who are committed to making a positive difference in the world. And so incorporating tech stewardship into our work, it's really swimming downstream. And really, when I think about it, what we have to offer is mostly our time, a little bit of other resources. And so the biggest impact we can make in the world is in the project work we do. And the biggest opportunity I see to incorporate tech stewardship practices really in our work is in what projects we say yes to. So we've got a go, no go framework for project opportunities to evaluate what we're going to accept. When we accept something, it's often a multi-year commitment, committing many people at the company to spend most of their time working on it. So if we can embed a broader perspective and explicitly look at the long-term impacts and potential to have a positive impact specifically with the work that we do and the leverage that work has in making impacts, then we can spend our time more effectively in having a bigger long-term impact, working with companies and with partners who are interested in the broader implications of their project work rather than strictly the short-term goals. So that's really it.
Our team is very much already committed to and extremely passionate about embedding equity, diversity, and inclusion into our entire practice. And as much as we've already done on this front, when it comes to the value tensions associated with expanding inclusion, I still believe that there is a great opportunity to be achieving those both and outcomes more consistently and collaboratively across our work to be able to reliably deliver inclusive products at scale. Of course, there's many ways to get to those outcomes, whether they're through bespoke offerings to meet very unique needs, or through inclusive user configuration options, or many other potential solutions. But to get to those solutions, we need to continue to leverage and create for ourselves the right tools, mindset, and process across interdisciplinary teams, which is tough. And so for us, building a tech stewardship perspective within our sphere of influence is critical. And with that in mind, stepping back, I also think that there's a great opportunity as cross-functional teams to more proactively identify and transparently communicate the value tensions associated with all of our decisions and explain how our solutions have been generated within the context of these seemingly competing values, priorities, needs, etc. I believe that this invites everybody into the process and elevates our collective tech stewardship IQ and acumen, which of course is better for everyone, ourselves, our colleagues, and most importantly, our customers.
Hey everybody, Mark Franklin here. The biggest current tech stewardship stretch opportunity for my organization, OneLifeTools, comes from reflecting on the polarity map of seek purpose. I'm the co-founder of OneLifeTools, and we create tools for career and life reflection and clarification. And these tools use a narrative or story-based method, and they include a web application called Online Storyteller, a game, Who You Are Matters, and a virtual variation of that game called Conversations Matter. They support helping professionals like coaches and counselors who in turn help their clients. So on the Seek Purpose polarity map, we're pretty good at the tech development upside of delivering focused value to our stakeholders, who in many cases are college and university faculty and student services staff. On the tech stewardship upside, our efforts reach beyond our stakeholders to provide broad benefit to the families, communities, and economies in which individual users of our tools exist. The biggest current tech stewardship stretch opportunity for OneLifeTools is in the tech development downside of Seek Purpose, which suggests that a focus on direct stakeholders can mean missed opportunities. So we've been so focused on career clarification that we're missing broader opportunities to apply these tools, for example, in the area of mutual understanding. There's a growing need for mutual understanding in our fractured world. Application areas for this include Indigenous, non-Indigenous relations in Canada, race relations in the US. One thing we could try is to partner with a relevant organization to pilot some mutual understanding sessions using the Conversations Matter tool.